YouTube. So I am out with my little sister. She came down to visit me for the weekend. And this weekend we wanted to make the weekend about challenges. Challenge that she had for me was to eat like her for a day. My little sister is vegan, and so she has challenged me to eat vegan like she does. So right now we are at a restaurant called Spiral Diner and Bakery. And so now to look at the menu to see what I want to eat. That's my little sissy, my sissy Krissy. Say hey.
Hey.
Little Hunter Ray came to eat with us as well. He won't be eating anything on the menu. I'll probably be pulling his bottle out in a bit. He's teething. His poor little gums are bothering him. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go with the breakfast quesadilla. And you said you're gonna get what, Crystal?
Blueberry pancakes with the sausage.
Oh, the pancakes with sausage. Oh, wait, you gonna get blueberries? Okay. For appetizer, she decided to get broccoli and some vegan ranch.
And you gotta taste it.
I gotta taste it. Okay, let's see.
No, quick dip it. Yes. Why do people smell before they taste?
It's not bad.
I told you. It is so good.
It tastes like actual ranch.
Yes. I love it. Every time.
Alright, so their beverages, you serve yourself the beverages. I think I want to go with... I think I'm going to go with the ginger ale. Top it with maybe a little blueberry soda. Let's see. Let's taste it. Yeah, that's real ginger. Real ginger. It's not watered down like the ginger ale you get in the cans.
Honestly, I want some. I told you. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, she ain't exaggerating. It's really that good. I told her.
It's so good.
And what do you have?
You would never notice that there wasn't any meat in it.
What's in it? So we can get our views so they can remember what was in there.
You have scrambled tofu, vegan sausage, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, cheese. This cheese tastes like real cheese. So real good. Cheese. Mm-hmm. Real cheese. Guacamole, you can't go wrong with that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
I told her.
Okay, you done made a believe out of me. Oh my God. That was so good. And it was so much food.
I told her.
I had to pack it up and eat it for later. I will definitely be returning. Even if I don't have my lovely sister with me.
What?
I get hungry without when you're not around.
Well, you ain't need to be hungry coming over here.
Okay. Alright, so we are back. For dinner, we decided to go, well, my sister decided that we were going to go to Tropical Smoothie Cafe. And there, I got a hummus bowl, and she got a hummus wrap. Alright, let's open it up.
Hummus veggie bowl and wrap.
Alright, so in this hummus bowl, I don't know if you can see it, this hummus bowl, there's some black beans, some rice, some guacamole, some pepper jack cheese, some some marinated red onions, some tomatoes, and of course some hummus. It comes with a bag of Lay's chips and a smoothie. I got an acai smoothie. It has acai berries, blueberries, strawberries, and it came with bananas, but I'm not really a big fan of bananas, so I asked them to leave the bananas out. So this is my first time. And also, it came with a light ranch.
Mine, I have the Bahama Mama, and I had to look on my phone because I forgot, but it's so creamy and good. It's strawberries, pineapple, white chocolate, and coconut.
White chocolate? So that's probably what's making it creamy, the white chocolate.
It's good. Y'all, this is my wrap. It looks so good.
All right, so we are going to dig in. And so what you think of your wrap?
It's cool. I want a little more ranch on there, but it's good.
Oh, I ate all of mine.
It's all good. I don't need it. Just being great.
It's some ranch in the refrigerator. It's not light ranch though.
Hey, I can dip it in there.
Yeah, it's not light ranch, but it's some ranch in the refrigerator.
That's good though. The greens and stuff, refreshing.
Oh, I forgot to mention what greens were in it. So we have romaine lettuce, and we have some kale in here, and some spinach. This is actually not too bad. I don't feel guilty about what I'm eating. I feel as though it's going to tide me over. And if it doesn't, I have leftovers from breakfast.
Yes.
All right, as you can see, I finished my bowl. I mean, it was okay. I finished eating it because I bought it. The weather's bad outside and I didn't feel like going back out. It was all right on a scale of 1 to 10. I think I'd give it maybe a 5 or a 6. It's not something that I would say, ooh, I gotta go back and get. But yeah, it was okay. I'll probably be dipping into my leftovers later, because right now I'm full, but I feel as though I'm gonna need something else to eat later, and it is like 7 o'clock now. So, yeah. So, we're back. The food was so good on yesterday that we decided to come back today. Spiral Cafe. And I'm a meat eater. Am I supposed to be liking vegan food? I mean, I love my chicken, my beef, my pork, my bacon. But this food here, it's so good. Why is it so good? So, about these nachos right here. Yeah, I'm about to go in. So, on these nachos, you have black olives. So, on these nachos, you have black olives, jalapenos, some corn, tomatoes, a little guacamole over here. Turn around so you can see it. A little guacamole. And then you have some quinoa that's supposed to act as like the ground beef. You have some cashew cheese, which, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, you have some cashew cheese that tastes exactly like nacho cheese. I have no idea what they put in this stuff, but it is delicious, and you will not notice the difference. And then they have a cashew sour cream as well. Let's see, I think I covered everything. But yeah, this is bomb. Thank you, Crystal, for introducing me to the vegan life. Oh, my shirt. I'm about that life. Yeah, I'm about that vegan life now.
Look at you say it. So here's their information. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Yo, a pretty cool spot. They have a dessert counter over there. When I tell you that stuff in their cabinet was good, I'm gonna show you guys later. Ooh.
Y'all, I tried. That was so much food. I was only able to eat half of it.
Ooh, you get TP.
I'm tapping out. Check, please. First, I'm gonna try the red velvet cake. My little sister bought a red velvet cake, and I want to try that first. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. I don't know if that's the red velvet cake or this cupcake that you have. It smells like almond extract. That's the red velvet cake. Let's dig in. Now, you cannot tell me that that's a vegan red velvet cake. I mean, that right there, that's good. That is so good. I want another piece.
One more, that's it.
Make it a good one. I'm gonna savor the flavors.
Yep, get up,
It's so good. Oh, I should have got this. Should have got that. All right. So on a scale of, let's see, 1 to 10, I think that I'll give that a strong 8.5. Yes, Hunter. Yes, Hunter, I would give that a strong 8.5. Yeah, I would. But you know I love red velvet cake. All right, on to the Neapolitan cupcake that I got. Smells like strawberries. All right. Let's see. So it looks like it is a vanilla cake, possibly, with chocolate in the batter, like a mix, a marbling of vanilla and chocolate cake. On the top, it might be a strawberry icing, as well as a chocolate drizzle. Let's see. All right, let's see what this tastes like. Oh, drop my icing. Let's see. That's pretty good too. Yeah, this one's pretty good too. I like the red velvet cake better because I love red velvet cake. Well, this one is following strongly behind. Maybe a 7.5 or an 8. This right here, yeah, it's good. Oh yeah. I might change my life after this weekend. I just might. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of DonyB TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell so you can know when my videos are being uploaded. I'm gonna try to upload videos every week. I might be having two coming up a week because I have something in the works right now. Honestly, this weekend being vegan changed my life, kind of. Who knew that you can still have the same guilty pleasures and be vegan at the same time?